Well, it is that special time of the year where everyone starts as equals. Far back in the distance, memories of last season, positions and points tallies on the last day, that's all now irrelevant. It is all about the ultimate prize that lies a long way ahead. That buoyant feeling is here. New start, fresh hope. Get the season off to a flyer. The fans are believing. And he'll shoot here! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Oh, the ball's run loose here. Loose pass, and they could be in. And that's gone loose. He's shifting through the gears here. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Shapes to shoot! It's in! First blood drawn.
Yeah, I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
Goal! After 14 minutes is number 11.
They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough.
Well, there's no sign of any first-day nerves here. That settled them beautifully into their stride.
That's good running with the ball. And the finish! And he hits the net! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them. Not a defender in sight. He had all the time in the world.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
And they're not going to make any further progress now. That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Driving forward. Oh, he's trying to skip past his man. Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Real chance here. There's the shot. In for the pieces. Decent enough try.
Well, the look on his face says it all.
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. There could be trouble here, but for now the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. It's a throw-in. That'll be a throw-in. Fiddles it through. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Well, that pass isn't the best. Good running, strong and purposeful. Gets away from his opponents. And the shot! It's loose now and they want to get it back. No foul, says the referee. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Strong running down that left flank. Pass is just off target. He's got the shot away! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. And the half-time whistle goes. Some first-half thoughts?
Well, they had their opponents reeling in that half, Peter, and the break may influence a change somehow, but don't hold me to it.
It has been a remarkable contest, decorated by goals, and two between them at half-time.
Everyone, please welcome to the field our players.
And we're off again. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. And that's put paid to a promising move. That is lovely. Has a shot! And that's caused a worry or two. And we have our very first corner. And now they can spring out of defence. Now then, the ball's come loose. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. He's going to be disappointed with that. Well, that is one way to stop him. And that's clear cut. It's a free kick. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
Yeah, and he has to change his ways, or this referee could soon change his status.
It's a good foot in there. Well, that looks a decent ball. Oh, such a clever touch. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. And it's been taken straight back. Good pressure, no shortage of purpose here. Good defending there, they've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. And the defence can get it clear.
The attendance for this match was 70,987.
Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. Oh, the ball's gone astray. Might be danger. There's the hit! The referee's awarded a free kick. Oh, well played. And he's intervened well there. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Great defending, strong and determined. The defending has become, all of a sudden, very personal, up close, adhesive.
Yeah, as you'd expect, Peter, that defence ought to know when to step up or drop off, and they finally made a decision to get tighter.
Chance to shoot! And it's there! And they are cruising away. And that will surely go down as one of the easiest goals he could ever score.
Well, that defence is perplexed by the fact they've allowed him the space.
After 72 minutes is number 11.
So time for change, and this one has been on the cards for a little while.
Well, Peter, I don't think there's anything tactical or injury-related here. I think it's just all about the push for a goal now.
Number 6.
3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy. And the counter is on. Steaming on goalwards. Shot could be on. Oh, good ball, and this looks promising.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Oh, no joy this time. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. He's had it taken off him. Well, they could break here. Oh, that's well done, really robust. And now the breakaway. It's a great gallop down the right-hand side. He can run onto that. Can he finish? He's got it Yet another goal in an awesome performance. They are in complete charge. And a trademark move ends with the inevitable classy finish.
Look, if you want to be effective on the break, then the key element is always pace. That's what really rips defences apart, and it's difficult to find an answer to it when it's applied like that.
2 goals on the day, and he may not yet be done. Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Now there's a fine ball. Oh, look at the space here. And the shot! Oh, he's kept it out, that's a great save.
Substitution on the field. Number 25.
A moment to try and place the cherry on the cake.
Coming on the field, number 18.
And now a sudden chance to counter. Now, who's going to be first to this? Nice interception, well
Added minute
timed.
has been indicated.
Gets good distance on it. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. Yeah, he's fouled him there. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. Perfect result, perfect outcome. A test passed with flying colours. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
From the manager's perspective, Peter, I don't think he could have asked for much more. We're certainly result-wise. This is a game they wanted to win for so many reasons, and his players did a sterling job carrying out the instructions. Thoroughly enjoyable.
So thank you very much, Jim, for joining me. That brings us to the end of our coverage. So from us both, a very good evening.
This is a hard one to take, but we'll be back strong.